Okay, so you want to be able to control your visibility. And here's another way to control it. Let's say you have an 1/8 inch drawing and you want to create these two views on a 1/4 inch drawing based on these sections. These, what we call a call out, we want those to go in another view. But this view has to be, I don't want to show this piping on this view, but I want to show, for example, because I'm on the roof plan, I want to show my vents. Okay, vents going up to my roof. Okay, I want to keep those. Now if I turn off the two systems, in this case it is sanitary sewer and sanitary and vent, sanitary sewer and vent, you see, it goes off, and I don't want to do that. So one way to solve that problem is to go up to view and go to plan view, and what you want to do is create a plan region. So you want to create a plan region and go up to the tools again and select rectangular, and now you come down and kind of trace over the call out box as close as you can and just make a rectangle in that area, because what we're going to do is create a view range. Of plan region allows you to create a view range, and what we're going to do is, because we are creating, let's right click on this and go to view, and what we are creating is a 1/4 inch drawing. This is a 1/4 inch drawing, and this drawing will be showing our drawing, and we're going to put notes on this drawing, but we want this area of the 1/8 inch drawing to be clear. So in order to do that, we want to have this portion of the roof plan to be not having shown the pipes, but we want to keep the pipes in this area because they're on the same system. So what we can do is we can click on our plan region and go to view range. Well, first let's get some information on the existing view range, and these are the parameters. So if we can go, I think we can go, let's go 0. We can go less than this view depth. We can keep our bottom primary range at 0, and we can let's bring our top down to let's bring it down to 5 feet. Okay, so we can go over here, we can click our plan region again. Let's change our plan view, our plan view. I think we were going to go to 0 here and 5 feet so that we don't go up too far. Let's click OK. Okay, so we have our vents going up, and we have just our basic system. Let's change our parameters here. Our basic system, looking at an 1/8 inch drawing, just maybe a skeleton view type thing. And you can go to this is going to be the water, and there is a sanitary sewer. We can go to that view, and these are going to be, this is where all the notes are going to be. So that's how it goes. Like, for example, it's going to be water closet, typical of 2, blah, blah, blah. It's going to go up, but that's how you can control your plans using this plan region. Okay, it might be beneficial if you made a note that this was a plan region somewhere on your drawing, but if it's entirely up to you. But what you can do is turn off the plan region in your annotation. Is it plan? It's not here. Plan region. Yeah, plan region here. We can turn that off in our annotation, so it doesn't show up so much as part of our drawing. Okay, guys. So that's all I have for today, and I will talk to you guys later.